Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, February 20, 2024. Government will be spending $250 million to address the conditions of sanitary facilities in the island's markets. In making the announcement, Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie says his ministry is aware that the condition of these facilities need attention.
Government will be providing some $250 million to repair and to clean sanitary facilities in all markets across Jamaica. This is a program that will deal with the sanitary concerns of both vendors and shoppers in the market.
The minister was speaking at the recent official opening of the Port Maria Market in St. Mary. He also disclosed that final designs for the Highgate Market to include a proper transportation center had been completed. This project is expected to cost about $200 million.
In the new financial year coming, the market will go out to tender. And so the people in Highgate who have to wait too long for the construction of a brand new modern market to replace the one that was destroyed by fire.
Ground has been broken for the Mount Moriah to Bohemia Road rehabilitation project. Minister with responsibility for works, Everald Warmington, says the $135 million project will ease the road woes for several communities in the area.
This roadway is a key link for communities located in St. Ann, Clarendon and Trelawney. The development of this road will open up the area for access which can be especially beneficial to the farming communities it serves, such as Mount Moriah, Wild Cane, White Sand, Cascade and Bohemia. In addition, it is the only means to move product produced from the farms to nearby markets and towns.
Minister Warmington says residents can also look forward to other upcoming projects. These include the Spalding to Cave Valley Borough Bridge section, Mount Moriah Battersea retaining wall, and the John Reed to Battersea program. Minister of Education and Youth Favor Williams welcomed 200 beginning and returning teachers to the education sector recently. The teachers received mentoring and induction training through the Beginning Teachers Program. The 25-hour training session had participation from 15 institutions and departments. Minister Williams says the training is in keeping with the ministry's Transforming Education for National Development Trend program. She urged the participating teachers to grasp the importance of their role in shaping their students' futures.
So I want to say to you, beginning teachers, you are the architects of tomorrow. You hold in your hands the power to shape and mold the future leaders of our nation as you step into the classrooms. I want you to remember that you're not just imparting knowledge, you're nurturing minds, fostering dreams, and kindling the flame of curiosity.
The Education Minister was addressing the Jamaica Teaching Council's annual Beginning Teachers Synergy Conference held at the Mico University College in Kingston recently. And finally, participation in the annual Jamaica Day celebrations has expanded to 2 cities in the American state of Iowa. The 2 cities, Waterloo and Cedar Falls, will organize festivities to coincide with local celebrations. Chair of the Jamaica Day Planning Committee, Marlon Williams, made the disclosure at a recent JIS think tank session.
We will be celebrating via simulcast with them. Our 10 o'clock will be their 9 o'clock, and hence the delayed start this year. Now, we expect all of Jamaica to celebrate with us. Jamaica Day is not just about schools celebrating. We expect all ministries, all agencies of ministries, corporate Jamaica, every single Jamaican.
Jamaica Day will be held on Friday, February 23, under the theme Celebrating Jamaica, Authentic and Unique, a Fiwi Trend Aduit. The featured local educational institution, William Knibb High School in Trelawney, will host the Jamaica Day National Civic Ceremony. Other planned festivities include exhibitions and cultural entertainment, with the highlight being the selection of Olympian Usain Bolt as the culture icon for 2024. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.